So today I am going to make a strawberry biscuit. I used a recipe off of Google and just added strawberries to it. So here's all my ingredients that you will need: butter, flour, buttermilk, sugar, strawberries. So I'm just adding my butter, and I am going to mix that in with my dough, whatever that is, to cut butter into flour to make biscuits. I'm going to add in some buttermilk, stir that around to form a dough. You don't want to over mix here, so you want to just mix lightly until everything's incorporated. I am going to start to add my strawberries in. We're going to give that a mix, just ever so lightly until it forms a ball. Then we're going to take it out on a flour surface, and I am going to just work it some more because this dough is a little bit sticky, so you want extra flour to kind of work it out. So I'm going to roll it out like so. You can see the little chunks of butter. Your butter must be cold, so I'm going to use a cookie cutter and just cut out some rounds. You do not want to turn your cookie cutter because you'll seal the ends. So you just want to lift up, press down, lift up. So I repeated that a couple of times. Yeah, almost done. You can see how beautiful the dough is. Then I am going to brush it with a little bit of butter on top to get it nice, a nice color on them. Put them in a sprayed pan. You want to put them close together so they can rise up and not spread apart. So this is me putting butter on the top of them, just some melted butter. Yeah, get all of them nice and buttered up. We're looking for some nice golden color. These are these in the pan. You make about 12, 14 biscuits. You see the nice strawberries just peeking through. So this is them already done, about 25 minutes in the oven. They're nice and soft and moist from the strawberries. So at this time, you should be preparing your glaze, which I use powdered sugar, a little bit of milk, vanilla, and some strawberry puree. And then you just want to put it in a piping bag and just drizzle them like so. You can put more ice in or less ice in, whatever you prefer. So I didn't put a lot of strawberry puree because I didn't want to change the color of the glaze to pink. I wanted it to stay white. So this is the final product. This is the way they look. So this is my strawberry biscuit, a takeoff of Popeye's biscuit. Yep. So I want to thank you guys for taking the time to watch this video. Hopefully you'll try it. Let me know what you think about it. Again, bye-bye.